Hey guys, just doing a little November wrap up. So since I did do How to Kill a Kit with Style, and then midway through the month I finally started getting at it. Do you think I finished the kit? No. I did make a decent dent in it though. Like I did use quite a few things. I still have a lot to do in my 2021 album. So do not fret if you're worried that I'm not going to use this stuff. I will. So I'm going to keep trucking along on that. How to Kill a Kit with Style takes a break for December. I don't know if I'll do it in January. I haven't decided yet. But I just wanted to check in because that is like the one thing we're supposed to do being part of this group, right? Is check in and let you know where we're at. So I failed again. So the funny thing is, I was killing kits without thinking about it when I was not doing How to Kill a Kit with Style. And then I was like, I should join that because I do that all the time. And then have I killed the kit since? No. But I've also been very sporadic and not wanting to scrapbook with the same set of stuff all month long. I think that's the issue is I'm hoping to get more focused and do that maybe next year is my plan. So I will still be working on my 2021 album. What did I get into? March, maybe April. So I have lots to do yet. So I will be working on these, so do not fret. And what else have I been doing in November? I would love to show you all the layouts I created, but a lot of them were for December, so I cannot, or I will not, because they're for December. And I've been doing putting away layouts because I've had stacks and stacks of them. I got lazy. I was really good before about I would finish a month, I would put those layouts away, and then I would be done. So let me show you. This, I can't show you the top because there's a layout for this month. I would fill this up and then empty it. Well, this is like 2.5 months worth because I didn't empty it, okay? And this is like some November, some December, some October. But then I've had 4 stacks of layouts on my floor that are this thick or more for months that I've sorted because I'm running out of space for my albums and I'm running out of albums. This stack is all my niece's pages that I need to put away. And one of the albums, I actually think I can maybe give them 2 of the albums so that I have room, but then I have to buy more albums. So yeah, that is where I'm at with that. So I put together finally one of the layouts, or one of the stacks. I put them away, but it was my 2020 stack, and I'm finding that I need another album. I'm finding I need to do that a lot. I take a lot of photos, and so I need another 12 by 12 album for 2020, and I did that a lot of years, so there's a lot of things. So yeah, I did not create any of these in October or November or October. They've been on my floor in a stack for a very long time, so I need to get to that. So I'm glad I got a lot of December done because I'm going to slowly chip away at doing this as well, putting these things away, getting more page protectors, getting more albums. But it costs money, and sometimes it's like, well, I don't have time or money. So I'm working on that. That's what I'm going to be working on in December, as well as new series coming in January. I'm excited about that. Hopefully I can handle it. And so I will have 3 regular series I do weekly. So you'll get 3 videos a week for sure, starting in January. And then the occasional monthly things we do, like Stretch to Sketch, I will keep doing. Off the Board, I will keep doing. Christmas in whatever month we're on, I'll keep doing. What else? Craft IQ, obviously. Yeah. And so, yeah, and I have some plans for some other things, depending on other things, so it's like domino effect. But that is what's up. So that was how November went. That's how the rest of the year is going to go. Product Focus Friday is actually going to be me. I've decided for December. I didn't get to prep my December daily, but at the same time, like, I could have made some base pages, but I think I'm going to do that as my Product Focus Friday. We're going to play with the Citrus Twist kit I got. So my product focus is going to be Citrus Twist, and we're going to play with that and build my December daily and then leave notes and things so I know what goes on what page. So that's kind of how I did it last year, and I really liked that. I kept track of things as the month went on because then I could at least just enjoy it. And then I scrapbook it later, or by the end of the month I start doing some of it, or I do it a little bit as I go. Like as a week goes by, if I have the photos printed, then I will scrapbook them, or at least make the pages and know, kind of plan out the size. So then you guys can kind of work my December daily, or my December documented is kind of what it is. I don't know if I'll have it daily or not. It depends. I'm new to this. Last year was the first year I did it daily. I didn't mind it. I liked it. And I have some really good prompts for days that maybe we don't do any events, so I'm not too worried. But I have a theme in mind, which is fun. And so, yeah. And then I will have some Black Friday hauls, because even though I told myself I can't spend any money, I did. And now I have to put myself on a freeze. So you guys are holding me accountable. I'm on a freeze. I'm not allowed to buy anything more unless it's like albums, page protectors, and glue. Or photos, like getting photos printed. I'm hoping to actually get a Canon selfie is my goal as well. But that's a whole other thing too. But I can still always get pictures printed, so that's not a big deal. So that's what's happened in November. That's what's going forward. Those are my goals already for next year. So I've covered it all. But thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you put the notification bell on if you want to make sure you get notified when I put a layout, a process video or a project or a video up at all. And yeah, stay tuned for more coming soon. Thanks again, you guys. Bye. Oh, and let me know if there anything you want to see different, anything you want me to do. Do you want me to do face-to-face videos at all? Do you want, I can start doing lives? Do you want lives? Like, what would you like to do? So if you have any comments or requests, I'd love to see it. Thanks again.